Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after that guys, in order to block that person, first you'll be required to go to that person's account. So I'll be just opening a friend's profile over here guys. So in order to block someone, do the same. Open up your person's profile whom you want to block, like this. And over here on the chat box at the top of the screen, again tap on their name and their profile will open like this guys. You can see over here. Now in order to block that person, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icons over there. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear where you'll see the block option available. At the second, tap on block and tap on block, and you can see guys that person has been blocked on Instagram. And guys, this is how to block someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.